Which organic MCT oil is actually worth your money? It's a simple question, but the answer isn't so obvious when every bottle looks the same and makes the same claims. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you exactly which ones deliver and which ones fall short.
Product number 1, Nature's Way 16-ounce organic MCT oil. This one caught my eye because it's USDA organic, non-GMO project verified, and made purely from coconuts. No palm oil, no fillers. It delivers 14 grams of MCTs per serving, mostly C8 and C10, which are the ones your body absorbs fastest for quick energy. If you want clean fuel for your brain and body without sketchy ingredients, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. C8 caprylic acid gets converted into ketones faster than other fats, so if you're doing keto or intermittent fasting, this can help you stay in fat-burning mode. Plus, it's flavorless and odorless, so it won't mess with your coffee or smoothie. With over 20,000 people buying it monthly, it's clearly doing something right. The keto and paleo certifications also mean it fits seamlessly into low-carb lifestyles. Now, some people complained about the bottle size. 16 ounces doesn't last long if you're using it daily. And honestly, I get that. If you go through a tablespoon every morning in your coffee, this will be gone in under 3 weeks. But here's the thing. The quality is solid, and for the purity you're getting, it's still a fair deal. This is perfect for you if you're new to MCT oil and want a trusted, certified organic option to try. Skip this one if you're already a heavy user and need a bigger bottle to save money. For the quality and peace of mind, it's good value.
Product number 2, Nature's Way 30-ounce organic MCT oil. That was a solid option, but if the 16-ounce size felt too small, this next one might actually be better for daily users. Nature's Way 30-ounce organic MCT oil. Same brand, same clean formula, just double the amount. You're still getting 14 grams of MCTs per serving, all from organic coconuts with no palm oil or artificial junk. If you want the same high-quality fuel but don't want to reorder every few weeks, this is the move. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Buying in bulk saves money in the long run. At nearly twice the size of the 16-ounce, the cost per ounce is lower, which adds up if you're using it consistently. Plus, the larger bottle means fewer plastic containers, which is better for the planet. It's still flavorless and perfect for coffee, smoothies, or salad dressings. No aftertaste, no weird texture. Now, some people mention the bottle is a bit bulky and harder to pour without spilling. I'll be real with you. Yes, it's a little awkward to handle at first, but once you get used to it or transfer some to a smaller dropper bottle, it's not a big deal. The trade-off for the extra volume is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you're already using MCT oil regularly and want to save money and reduce waste. Skip this one if you're just testing the waters or have limited storage space. For committed users, this is the smarter buy.
Product number 3, Purador 16-ounce fractionated coconut oil. If you're looking for an MCT oil that pulls double duty, this next one takes a completely different approach. Purador 16-ounce fractionated coconut oil. This isn't just for your coffee, it's a beauty and wellness powerhouse. USDA organic, hexane-free, and scent-free. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and absorbs fast. If you want an MCT oil that also hydrates your skin and hair, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Unlike regular coconut oil, this one stays liquid at room temperature and won't clog your pores. That makes it perfect as a moisturizer, makeup remover, or carrier oil for essential oils. I've seen people use it for massage, beard conditioning, and even as a natural deodorant. It's versatile in a way most MCT oils aren't. Now, some people were disappointed it doesn't have the same energy-boosting punch as pure C8 MCT oil. And they're right. This is more of a fractionated oil, so the concentration of fast-acting MCTs is lower. But here's the thing. If you're using it for skincare or aromatherapy, that's actually a plus. You get the benefits without the digestive sensitivity some people feel from high C8 oils. This is perfect for you if you want a multi-use organic oil for beauty and wellness, not just nutrition. Skip this one if you're strictly looking for a ketogenic energy boost. For self-care routines, it's a great value.
Product number 4, Purador 1629-ounce glass bottle MCT oil was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for sensitive skin. Purador 16.9-ounce fractionated coconut oil in a glass bottle. Same clean organic formula, but now in eco-friendly non-reactive glass. If you're serious about avoiding plastic and want a premium feel, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Glass doesn't leach chemicals, especially important if you're using this oil on your face or mixing it with essential oils. It also protects the oil from light, which can degrade quality over time. Plus, the pump dispenser makes it easy to use without contamination. No dipping fingers in, no mess. Now, some people complained about the price. $19.99 is steeper than plastic bottles. And yeah, it's an investment. But here's the thing. You're paying for purity, sustainability, and convenience. If you're already into clean beauty, this fits right into that lifestyle. This is perfect for you if you prioritize clean ingredients and sustainable packaging. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or just need MCT oil for internal use. For skincare lovers, it's worth the splurge.
Product number 5, Nature's Oil Gallon Fractionated Coconut Oil. If you're serious about volume and versatility, this gallon of Nature's Oil Fractionated Coconut Oil is in a league of its own. At $48.74, it's a big upfront cost, but you're getting over 128 ounces, enough to last months even with heavy use. It's odorless, non-greasy, and perfect for massage, essential oil blending, and DIY skincare. If you want the ultimate bulk MCT oil for wellness and beauty, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're a massage therapist, essential oil enthusiast, or just someone who loves homemade skincare, this size saves you time and money. 1 gallon replaces dozens of small bottles. Plus, it's fractionated, so it won't solidify like regular coconut oil, always ready to use. Now, some people were turned off by the lack of organic certification, and that's fair. This isn't USDA organic like the others, but here's the thing. It's still natural, hexane-free, and highly rated for performance. If organic isn't your top priority, the value here is unbeatable. This is perfect for you if you use MCT oil in large quantities for wellness or professional use. Skip this one if you're only using it in your morning coffee. For bulk buyers, it's the best deal on this list.
So, which organic MCT oil should you pick? If you want pure energy for keto, go with Nature's Way. 16 ounces to try, 30 ounces to stick with. If you want beauty benefits, Puredore's fractionated oils are amazing, especially the glass bottle version. And if you're using it heavily for massage or DIY recipes, that gallon from Nature's Oil is a steal. Each has its strength. Just match it to your lifestyle.